Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Ngiyabonga Sibo bafethu. Ngiyabonga bafethu for this opportunity. Sizile lana sizobheka TS Galaxy ne Sundowns bafethu. Igame interesting bafethu. Igame tactically in a sense yokuthi iMamelodi Sundowns iqale ngoPeter Shalulile as main striker. iMamelodi Sundowns idlale ngabo number 10 abayi3. uNunesi. Idlale nango it was Nunes, it was Matthews, and it was Utsikitsiki yangithola Chabeleng bonke yibo abo number 10 abayi3 balandelwa uAlende balandelwa na uTebza uTebogomokwena. So what would happen is the first problem that we encountered with first half, Sundowns was very good going forward. Yes, we created chances, we were going forward. Mesnile into le hanga ukuthi sifuna ukora. But now the main problem is that we encountered was bebashaya transition. You know, first half TS Galaxy ithola ama chance amaningi to transition because every time masiya phambili labo number 10 basale box in the TS Galaxy bese bashaya transition. They were not able to come back and cover for our full backs. That's why we were exposed. So now, because we exposed that we were saved by Umtao. We were saved by Umtao a couple of times. I think Umtao made 2 or 3 critical saves for Mamelodi Sundowns, which you could have considered a goal. And we were saved by Williams. Williams saved 2 or 3 critical goals that a chance we TS Galaxy. And that's a very still create a chance as Mamelodi Sundowns. But I think ama changes ga coach ku second half ukuthi akhiphe uTsikitsiki afake uSalesi akhiphe uShalulile afake uRenas eyavula ispace because uRenas uyawaphina icenter back yabo makaphina icenter back yabo. It means now uRenas was not just only pinning the center back but was playing on the shoulders the center back, meaning that makaqale amuva icenter back amlandela and mayimlandela icenter back vuleka ispace, that number 10 position that we like as Mamelodi Sundowns and we enjoyed vuleka yona so that sikwazi ukudlala. So it was very important for us ukuthi sithole that kind of opportunities as Mamelodi Sundowns. That is how you saw goal la Kekana. Ukekana got the ball, waphula ifestera. Makaphula ifestera, uRenas wenze le running khuluma ngayo, running on the shoulders zama defender and get the ball, wa assist sa finisher. So that was the positive things. I think ukuthi from that tactical side Riding Coach Katoso ngiyamphassisa kulelo side lelo. Going forward man, I think ukuthi Coach Katoso need to be patient ngoTsikitsiki. uTsikitsiki was giving us something that's different, something that we need. What Tsikitsiki has kuMamelodi Sundowns, no one has it man. Isigcine ngelegend yethu uThembazwana. Tsikitsiki knows how to play, we have space. Tsikitsiki has the ability to hold to the ball a little bit longer. We need someone like that, you know. Yes, we are good at rotating the ball, passing it left and right, but sometimes we pass left and right with no direction, with not understanding what sifuna ukwenzani. But uTsikitsiki is that one player okwazi ungena kuma half space, athathe an extra charge, maybe atheni defend one, akwazi ukusidlalisa. You saw the way akwazi ukreathela ngakhona uShalulile. So it was very key the way uTsikitsiki madlalisa ngakhona. Yes, he lost a couple of balls uTsikitsiki, but that's what we want. We want a player that can risk ngebhola, a player that's not afraid uphula ifestera, you know. Yes, ama midfielder which ayakwazi ukurotate ibhola, I'll protect it, but bayasaba ukuthatha risk. So Tsikitsiki is that player okwazi ukuthatha ama risk. So I think ukuthi going forward, the next couple ezodlala for iMamelodi Sundowns in Nedbank, I think with Nedbank ucoach kumele anikeze uTsikitsiki more chance ukuthi akwazi uku-improve performance yakhe, abambe form, improve kanjalo. And then we're gonna move to Orlando Pirates. Bafethu sizwile indaba ze-Orlando Pirates nama backdoor nani. Indaba ama backdoor, it's not new Orlando Pirates.
It's not new.
It's not a new thing.
Indaba Pirates yali backdoor is not.
Indaba Orlando Pirates ne CAF nama backdoor. It's not a new thing. No qualify. Orlando Pirates 1995 they won their first star. They were the first team in South Africa yokuthi bawine i-star. So manje nendlela abaqualifya ngayo, I'm gonna give you a story. You know me ukuthi mina ngiyethanda ibhola la South Africa. What happened is there was two teams that were topping the log in 1995. Orlando Pirates mayizoya kuyodlala i-Champions League.
Yeah.
It was Orlando Pirates, the Cape Town Spurs. They were sharing points, they were equal on points, but the Cape Town Spurs mina amagoli amaningi ukudlula Orlando Pirates on 1995. So what happened is Orlando Pirates filed a complaint. They bayifala ngakhona complaint manje kuLimpopo to Eval Professionals ukuthi Eval Professional idlalise i-player engaregistanga bafuna amaphepha walelo player lelo. Now how can you file a complaint isizini yonke i-player ladlala la sephela khona isizini kanti nifana i-complaint ukuthi player alikho eligible ukuthi lidlale, and that's how Orlando Pirates got the 1 point ukuthi ithole promotion yokudlala kuphi i-CAF Champions League. So ama-backdoor ne-Pirates same WhatsApp group
into eyi-1
bayijwayele le nto leyo. So aqalanga nge-Sundowns 2016, no 1995 ikhona le nto leyo. Go and check your history. Ngiyabonga Sithiko, danko.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?